Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showing off the JLab Audio Epic Mouse. Here it is in all its glory. It's a multi-device advanced wireless mouse. Nice easy scroll wheel. You'll save a lot of money getting this mouse over some of the others. The build quality is nice where you rest your thumb. It's also a good spot right here. There is a button right here as well. Here is the on and off switch. There we go. And the connect button right here. You can connect up to 3 devices. Now below here, you might be wondering where the connector is. It's built into the bottom. You just take that right out and you can connect to your computer. Works on Windows and Mac. And then on the side it gives you a little screen. You can see that a little bit right there. It's an OLED screen showing you what's happening right there. And it says 1600 and 2.4 gigahertz wireless mode, and it's trying to reconnect. It also shows you the battery level, which is nice. But again, you get a bunch of buttons up here, connect button right down here. It's from JLab. Also comes with the charging cable, so that's nice. USB-A to USB-C, it's braided. You can use it to charge other things as well. But the best part is it can connect up to 3 different devices. And here's some more details on the back, and we'll get you that in the description below. So it uses 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth, connect up to 3 devices, and it's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS. So there you go. This is the Epic Mouse from JLab. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.